Hi, this is Charting Man Dan of TheChartGuys.com, home of technical analysis education. Click the link for a free week trial, no credit card required, and gain access to our multiple live broadcasts daily, community chat room, educational videos, nightly watch lists, and more. Invest in your education and future and join the community today. Hello everyone, looking at SPY on the daily and weekly time frame. So looking like Brexit wasn't too much of a worry today. We had a very high gap up open, saw a nice quick move to the upside, but then the bears stepped in, profit taking by the end of the day. Unable to close above the middle Bollinger Band and the 10-day moving averages. Those are resistance, 208.45 and 41. So because we were unable to close above those levels, it indicates that we are more likely to fill this gap down here at 207.20 from today. And this 50-day moving average will be support just below 207 at the open tomorrow. So some upside for the bulls. We've got Brexit polls coming out as we get closer and closer to that day on Thursday. Again, I want to reaffirm that I am a believer that there will be no Brexit. I don't think that hundreds of millions of dollars at stake and big banks are going to lose the vote. I don't think the vote of the individual is that influential, unfortunately, but that's just my opinion. So if there were to be a Brexit, there would be a huge dump and some panic in the markets. If there's not, we are likely to see continuation for the bulls because we know the Fed raise of rates is pushed back into the future. And without that Brexit worry, there's nothing really slowing down the bulls here. Weekly time frame, the 10-week moving average support is 206.76. We're still well above that level. And as long as that holds as support, we have a nice, strong key support on this weekly time frame. We've got the higher high that did occur on this bounce. Couldn't close above 208.25, which was the high of the last bounce. Keep in mind that these SPY levels are adjusted from the dividends that get paid out here. So 208.25 is the goal for the bulls to close above here on the weekly time frame. And if that is the case, if there's no Brexit, we're going to be looking at potential all-time highs for the markets in 2016. So gap fill at 207.20. There's some hourly supports we're watching, the 50-day moving average support, and 208.95 is a level that keeps coming up, a stubborn resistance. Bulls will need to break above that, turn it into support to see continuation to the upside. So I appreciate you tuning in. We'll certainly be all over the Brexit polls and action that comes along with it, and we'll check back in tomorrow. I appreciate you watching.